So this is how your material will arrive on the pallet. Clearly the shrink wrap has been removed for demonstration purposes. The first thing you want to do is locate the box with a green label on here that says open first package. In that particular box you'll locate your installation instruction, have the hardware and some miscellaneous other materials in there. So we'll go ahead and start the process of opening the box and identify the installation manual. And one thing that's really kind of nice as far as our process goes here is we take great pride in doing our packaging, and you can see how well it's actually put on a pallet itself, and really how the content itself is taken care of inside the box. So we'll go ahead and open the box up right here, and here's the first thing you'll notice right here is the installation manual right here. So we want you to get familiar with the manual itself, open it up, read the contents of it, but this is not a complicated process. We've taken all the guesswork out for you. We've pre-assembled all the hardware and the materials so that you don't have to. So that really you get right to the nuts and bolts as far as the installation process. And we'll talk about that here in a moment.